So when you detach the basic DND v23.jar from the email, you can put it anywhere you like. I've put it under a Java folder. As I said, it doesn't actually spawn any other file, so it should be fairly self-contained. To open it, you just double click and that gives you this screen just here. I'm actually going to go through that, which is Traintracks 1625 expanded from the Times a couple of weeks back. So the way you do it is the input screen is to set up the input, not surprisingly, and to do so you drag and drop from these 6 icons on the left onto the grid here, and this is how it looks, and then there's one more there, and finally the exit just there. These cells along the top and down the right hand side are to take the number of train tracks, and if you position the cursor top left you can then input the numbers using the tab key on my keyboard anyway. If you make a mistake, such as if we put that in twice, you can take it to Sue's recycling bin and get rid of it. If you wanted this to be somewhere else as well, you can drag and drop from the grid, but we don't. So that's basically the way of getting the input screen. When you've finished, just click the finish key and you'll see another screen, same as before. Only difference being the ones that you've put in are in blue, the ones that you're going to put in are still in black, and that's so that you don't try and delete a blue input. There's 2 other icons there. One is black and you put that in the squares where you don't want, and you know that there won't be any train tracks, and green where you know that there will. So for example, I think there's going to be a train track there, and I know that there's not going to be a train track anywhere along here because I've already used up the one. You will see below and to the left of the numbers that you've already put in, the ones remaining. So in this case 1, 2, 3 in this column have been used. That means there's 2 left. Here there's none left, so we know that none are there. I'll remove them for the moment because there's an additional feature that I want to show you, and that's the button down here, which is Computer Assist. If you click that, it will do some of the work for you. So it knows that 0 is there, so it knows that there can't be a possible train track there. If I start putting in where I think they're going to be, it knows again that there can't be any down here because it's 0. It also knows that there's got to be a train track everywhere on that column because there are 6. I've disqualified 2 and therefore there's 0 remaining. If you don't like that, click it off or click it on as you wish. So when you actually come to solve it and you put all of these in the right way across the grid so that the train tracks run continuously, you will see a positive message at the end confirming that you've got it right. Best of luck. Any questions, see me.